Do you want to see hidden comments on Instagram? You can unhide comments on Instagram posts with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to see hidden comments on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Hidden comments on Instagram are comments that have been chosen to hide from public view. Instagram automatically hides comments it detects as spam, offensive, or inappropriate based on community guidelines. You can also manually hide someone's comments. To see hidden comments on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in the Instagram newsfeed, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the post where some comments might be hidden. Tap on the picture to view it in full screen. At the bottom of the post, you will see a comment icon. Tap on it to expand the comments section. Here you will see all the comments on this post. Scroll through the comments to the bottom to see if any hidden comments appear. At the bottom of the comments section, you will see a message indicating hidden comments. Tap on See Hidden Comments to view the hidden comments on your post. Now, you will be able to view all the hidden comments on this post. To unhide a comment, tap on the Unhide button. By following these simple steps, you can view and unhide any hidden comments on your Instagram posts.